In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best 3D scanners in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which 3D scanners is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Revopoint 3D Scanner. Precision up to 0.05 mm, the main device of POP2 is based on the principle of binocular and microstructured light. With the help of the microprojecting device, POP2 ensures that the rapid acquisition of 3D cloud information is highly accurate, and the most precise single-frame precision is 0.05 mm. Additionally, POP2 supports high-precision scanning mode as well as the mode for texture scanning, which will directly create vibrant 3D models that can be used to print color 3D models. High compatibility and easy to use, POP2 can be used to scan on Windows August 10.11, macOS, Android, iOS, and HarmonyOS devices. The new version of RevoScan software provides an easy and new scanner ideal for those new to the field and offers advancements on the frontier of 3D technology. The 3D models generated using POP2 can be directly used in design software like Maya, 3D Max, Tinker C80, UGNX, MeshLab, Solid Edge, SketchUp, Fusion 360, Unity 3D, Rhino, Cora, Cinema 4D, Blender, SolidWorks, Keyshot. Portable 3D scanner. A single cable can combine the power cord with data transmission functions. There is no requirement for an AC power supply, very low consumption of power, and can be connected directly to an intelligent smartphone or tablet to perform 3D scanning. The weight of just 195 grams makes POP extremely light and comfortable to use handheld for scanning. Upgraded hardware. With higher resolution cameras and projectors, POP2's 3D scanner quickly acquires high-precision 3D point clouds with 10 frames per second, enhanced by the embedded 6DoF gyroscope, making it possible to scan with greater efficiency. Here is the item number 4, CRScan Lizard 3D Scanner. Precision up to 0.05 mm capture even the finest detail. Built using binocular, CRScan Lizard is featured by its high-end accuracy of up to 0.05 mm, which is achieved by the enhanced precision calibration process. It is compatible with texture and geometry scanning modes, which allows you to scan tiny parts or black objects as well as 3D models that have large, difficult-to-reach details. No markers scanning, high efficiency, and simple to use, CRScan Lizard is an absolute time saver. The clever algorithm creates 3D scanning as simple as making a video. This kit comes with a tripod and a turntable. It also with 3 scanning modes that can scan objects of various sizes and accommodate different scanning conditions and needs. There is no need to put markers in any mode, even for huge components like the engine's hood, the car door, front or rear bumpers, and more. Can scan black objects and more. Scanning target. The CRScan Lizard program is more flexible to material and can scan black objects with unlimited creative possibilities. The item number 3, Creality CR 3D Scanner. Smart technology, simple operation. Creality CRScan 01 3D Scanner is equipped with the most sophisticated large-scale registration algorithm to ensure that the grid is automatically aligned without the need for manual grid alignment calibration or the use of markers. The advanced modeling processing techniques, automatic fill repair, automated color repair, automated recognition of the substrate, non-destructive mesh simplification, and automatic smooth denoising will give you an excellent experience when scanning. High precision, high speed, scanning accuracy of up to 0.1 mm provides high precision of 3D modeling within dense polygonal meshes or point clouds. Even the largest objects are guaranteed high quality. With a resolution of 0.2 mm, this 3D scanner can record full-color texture along with geometric shapes. The scanner's format of scanning is 1.5 times bigger than conventional scanners. The scanning speed is much faster and more smooth. True color, high-quality color restoration at 24 bits. Great result. The built-in color camera can support full-color texture capture. Number 2 in our list, Revopoint Mini 3D Scanner. The Revopoint Mini can provide up to 0.02 mm precision. The Revopoint Mini's 0.02 mm single-frame precision allows the tiniest of parts in an item to be precisely scanned and modeled. When you want to scan coins, jewelry or industrial spare parts, or other items to quickly create an extremely accurate 3D model to print 3D models or design work. Multi-purpose scanning scenarios. RevoPoint Mini 3D Scanner is an indispensable tool for designers, makers, engineers, scientists, and medical researchers. We are utilizing intelligent algorithms, and precise scanning. The Mini can be used to reverse engineer model-based medical research, part repair, jewelry design, and cataloging of cultural objects, and other things. It's portable and user-friendly. At just 160G, its RevoPoint Mini is comfortable to carry and hold. It's also a simple to set up plug-and-play device that requires only one USB cable to charge or data transfers. Utilize your RevoScan app on your smartphone or computer quickly and efficiently scan objects. Up to 10 frames per second scanning and powerful hardware. A speed of 10 frames per second provides smooth motion when scanning objects using the Mini. With the aid of advanced algorithms that are incorporated into the Mini, can dramatically reduce stitching errors during successive scanning. The top one in our list, RevoPoint 3D Scanner. Precision up to 0.05 mm. The leading technology of POP2 is based on the principle of binocular and microstructured light. With the aid of the exclusive microprojecting device, POP2 ensures that the rapid acquisition of point cloud 3D data is high-quality precision. The most precise single-frame accuracy is 0.05 mm. Furthermore, POP2 supports high-precision scanning mode as well as texture scanning mode. This will directly create stunning 3D models for printing color 3D. High compatibility and easy to use, POP2 can be used to scan on Windows August 10, 11, macOS, Android, iOS, and Harmony OS devices. The latest version of the RevoScan software offers an innovative, simple scanner ideal for the new user and new developments on the frontier of 3D technology. The 3D models that are scanned using POP2 can be directly used in design software like Maya, 3D Max, Tinker C80, UGNX, MeshLab, Solid Edge, SketchUp, Fusion 360. There is no requirement for an AC power source and low power consumption, and can be connected directly to a smart tablet or phone for 3D scanning. Upgraded hardware, with higher resolution cameras and a projector, the POP2 3D scanner can quickly acquire high-precision three-dimensional point cloud images at 10 frames per second. Check the description for